All right. Welcome back, everybody. We're so back with another live stream. I don't know which episode is this. I lost track. I have no idea, but we are back, and I don't know if we're so back, but we're back for sure. So, yeah, I got my water. I got everything. Welcome, guys. Welcome to the live stream. We're just chilling. Actually, we're gonna have some kind of a cooking session in this one. I think it's gonna be fun. Let me check my microphone levels. Alright, dude, I'm getting rusty in this live stream business, man. I mean, if I take breaks, then I just start to forget how to do stuff, man. I should just be consistent, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is, though. Alright. So, let me check the live stream health. Okay, we seem to be healthy. Everything seems to be running fine. So I'm just gonna jump right into this. I don't want to waste any time. We have a lot of shit to do. All right, so guys, in 2 days I think I will create the release. I think I'm gonna just create the release. I'm gonna go ahead, press the buttons. Okay, so I gotta check something, some last minute things probably. I gotta just see what we're gonna do. Alright, so we have a checklist though. I have prepared this checklist in one of my previous live streams. I think it was 2 weeks ago at this point, or some time ago. I prepared this checklist, so yeah, I think I'm just gonna take a look at some stuff. I'm gonna start with the low-hanging fruits just to get into flow a little bit. I've already cloned the repo here. I got my latest checkout and so on. I don't know why the internet is so slow today. We couldn't finish this one. I think I can just finish this up myself, maybe. Yeah, it needs some cleanup though. Maybe I won't touch this. So this is an example. It means that whoever is gonna run this thing, it will be a part of the repo. So they need to clone the repo either way. So this doesn't need to be included in the release actually, because we're not gonna actually publish this, you know. So I think it's fine to leave it. But yeah, I mean, could have been nicer if we included that in the release though. But anyways, rip. I think I'm just gonna comment on these lines here. Start a review. Yeah, this needs some cleanup, so I'm just gonna comment here. I'm probably gonna remove this from the milestone as well. It's not on the milestone anyway, so it's good. Okay. Cool. Moving on, this needs a review. I think I will just remove the last one and move it to the next release. How can I do a strike through text here? I'm just gonna strike. It's an example. It's a change on examples, so we can do it anytime. Self-diff options. I think that's really a good one. Like, would be great to have that included somehow. This won't make it. Right, let's save it. I'm gonna change this milestone. Oh, 0.31. That's... Did I add that to the milestone? Oh, no, okay. Then that's fine though. We have only 3 PRs. 3 PRs left until the release. Let's see their status. So 3 things here. I mean, I can take a look at this one again. I'm gonna just resolve these conversations. Okay. So these conversations. Do we have any other conversations open? Probably not. This should be in good shape, I think. I'm gonna update the branch. Guys, welcome to the stream, by the way. Feel free to say hi in the chat or ask questions or just troll me. Everything is fine. I'm happy if you want to interact with me. That sounded so weird, but you know, use the chat, guys. Welcome. What are you working on? Just tell me that. Are you writing any Ratatui programs? Are you a rat or human? It's an important question. I think I already looked at this code before, so this should be in good shape. Some tests. I'm just gonna give it a approval, actually. Approved. Sell diff options. So 3 PRs. I think I'm gonna move the first one to here as well, so that we have an idea. All right. Alright, that's cool. So we have just 3 things that we need to finish up. Good enough. So let's see what's happening at the website. Oh, this is the website PR, okay. 6 commits. Highlights. Completely irrelevant question. What do you think of Proton's ecosystem? Do you think they'll reach a point where people can easily switch to? Or also, what about their lack of support for Linux? Is this about the gaming thing, Proton? That's the question. I'm not the right person to ask that, because I don't usually use that. I used it a couple of times and it was fine. But maybe that's another Proton, I don't know. Is that about Proton Mail? Which Proton? There are a lot of Protons here, man. There's electrons. Okay, sorry. I'm not gonna make jokes about that. Oh yeah, Proton Mail. Got you. Yeah, I mean, I use Proton Mail. I don't use the other products. It's a bit difficult to use for me. It would be nice if they had better clients. And I have recently heard that one of the people that I know, he's being kind of like funded by Proton to do some Rust stuff on their on some, I don't know, Rust ecosystem for them or something like that. I cannot give out too many details, but you know what I mean. So it was cool. It was cool. I mean, they are doing the right thing with that project. So yeah, that's all I know about Proton, man. So that, yeah, probably still not the right person to ask, but yeah. All right, so the landing page. I am just gonna merge this, guys. We have a new landing page, so I'm just gonna merge it. This is the new landing page, by the way. It's slow and the colors are off because I have the dark reader extension, but this is how it looks like. I like it. I like it. I'm just gonna merge it. I'm going to go ahead and merge this. Actually, I haven't looked at the code. I'm ashamed to say that, but I haven't looked at the code yet. Yeah, they have been supporting some open source developers, which is great, I think. It's a great thing to do. I was a bit surprised when I heard that one of the people that I know, that he was like getting funded by Proton. It's like, you know, interesting fact. Interesting fact. To be honest, the only reason why I use Proton is because I have these projects and I want to have some kind of email tied to each project. So I have set up some Proton Mail accounts for them. So if you look at my GPG keys, I have, for example, let me just search for actually Proton. There you go. I have a bunch of Proton mails for each project. So these are my keys, and I'm using these to sign the releases basically. So yeah, the last one I created was, I think, Binsider. Probably not. I created one for Twitter too. So I have some Proton mail. I have Protons. Yeah, I do. Probably need to update this. Oh, it's beta, so it's actually not. It's fine. It doesn't need to be updated, I guess. It's gonna take a long time if I start to take a look at the code, but actually it's very straightforward. I mean, if you ignore all the assets, if you look at the components, let me take a look at the components. Yeah, there you go. We have some stuff added here. Hopefully no backdoors. Yeah, guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and merge this. I'm gonna just press the button. New website, let's go. I'm going to go ahead and merge this. Think UI cheese ton for the insane amount of work you have put into this. Let me just put some heart here. Do we have a yellow heart? Yellow heart and cheese. Let's do this. All right. Are we merging to Ratatui 0.30? Yes. That's great. We're squashing 100 commits. I'm merging it, guys. You have quite of a network, man. I wasn't even surprised you knew someone who was supported by Proton. Yeah, it's insane, man. It's like you just run, run into people like that, which is great. All right, we have a new website. Not yet though, but you know, we're gonna have it soon. Awesome. All right, let's refresh this thing. Checklist checked. So add link in docs to NoSTD page on website when it's ready. So this basically says that we need to link to the NoSTD section from the website. Let me just find where that is first of all. Okay, to find the page. Actually, I can probably just go to the website. Just pull the commits. And then I'm gonna just start the website. I should have ran npm probably, but it worked and it's fine. Sorry, PNPM. I don't know if there's. Oh shit! What? NPM start. I'm not good with front-end development, man. Please don't crash. Okay, okay. I need to install dependencies first. So npm install probably. It's gonna try to install the whole browser thing, which I'm gonna skip. Can we just start the website, please? Just start the damn website, please. All right. I think it's we're getting there. We're getting there. It's building. Come on, rat. We have, oh shit, we have 16k stars now and 14 million downloads on Ratatui. That's insane. Oh, okay, there you go. There we have the website. API docs, not the API docs actually. I need to go to get started. Damn, get started. And then we go to no STD. So this is the concepts no STD. That's the new page that we have. We basically, yeah, I just installed dependencies. Thanks for the tip. I basically need to get this thing appended here, get the correct link. And then guys, you know what I'm gonna do, right? Just gonna use codecs here. So what do we need to do here? In the API docs. Okay, let me just do this actually. So we need to link to a new page there. And link to that page whenever it's appropriate. I swear. I don't know. He will do it. Don't worry. He'll just do it. So yeah, we're just gonna link to that website, and the website part of the release is basically done. We just need to nudge some people, especially Josh, about these 3 PRs. If you don't make them into a release, I think that's kind of fine though. Yeah, I need to also update the highlights for the last changes. Probably this one. It's a small thing though. When did we merge this? 3 weeks ago. Okay, what happened? Versus you know, it's the concept guide. Where's that widgets RS? For more detail on advantages. on advantages maybe? For more detail on what do we actually have on this web page? What are we saying in the concept page? Let's just see. So actually the first one sounded a bit like I think that was kind of correct. Tips, okay. For more detail on maintenance tips, feature flags, and advantages of this, tips and feature flags. See the Ratatui no STD concept guide. Yeah, I think that sounds good. You don't need to say Ratatouille though. For more detail on advantages of this, maintenance tips and feature flags. I think that's fine. Oh no. It should be fine like this, so link to no STD concept page. I'll link to no STD concept page. Alright, let me just push this and no verify, of course. Just gonna closes this issue. Alright, create pull request. I'm gonna add this to here. Like this. Alright, cool. We created a PR there. Great, so what are we doing? Let's check the last thing that I did here. I think that was okay, December 12th. What has changed since then? Let's see. December 12th. Not much. Actually, yeah, nothing much. So we're safe on the highlights. Let me try to do another beta release or something like that. Probably need to do it here. is beta 1, so the changelog is beta 0 is the wrong changelog though. Let me see the changes here. Beta 1. I need to update this changelog based on the latest releases though. Let's maybe do that because we will need that anyways. So last time that was a bit of a work because basically the changelog generation, like the release automation, is broken. But let's see. I'm gonna start with a fresh clone. I'm gonna go to here, clone it here. Oh, it's not empty. Trajectory. Fresh clone. The release that let me just find the release PR actually. That's useful because I need to see what I need to update. It should be somewhere around October. November. November 1st maybe. Yeah, release beta. That one is the PR. I have 7 comments on top of the actual release PR. Skip release entries, add cliff ignore to skip Ratatui macros. Entries, update for 0.30 beta release. Okay, what is this doing? New contributors. I think something was wrong with that, if I remember correctly. I think that was broken, kind of. Let me just find that. I think it was a part of the release notes. Can I see the full changelog, please? Stop breaking changes can be found here. So, okay, here's my checklists. I'm gonna take some notes there. The release process. Merge this one. Later on create a, okay, let me just do a checklist here. Merge this one. Later on create another PR2. Update the versions to 0.30. Do we have a release document. I think we have release md. There's no alpha releases anymore. Okay. I mean, new contributors doesn't seem very broken. They just don't exist here. Do we have them in the actual changelog? Let me go to 0.29. Nope, we don't have the new contributor section. No idea. No idea what happened to that. But okay, whatever. So what are we doing here? I think I'm gonna just list the tags first, because we have... Oh, what did I do? Did I just create a tag? Sorry, my bad. I don't know what I did. Okay, git tag. So we have a bunch of tags here. The problem is... I need to delete these. I need to delete a bunch of them. So I need some command for that. Guys, welcome to stream, by the way. Oops, what did I do? I just broke everything. Guys, welcome to stream. My name is Orhun. I'm a rat. I live in the sewer. I chase cheese, and I am trying to become a chef. I am the chef, actually. Look at me. This is me, guys. Sorry. We're just chilling, guys. We're just chilling. I'm trying to like prepare this release. Sorry for not giving you any context about what we're doing here. I'm just trying to like create a release. Like, not now, but like prepare for the release, and it's gonna be really big. But yeah, sorry. I was grinding, okay? I was just locked in. So I totally forgot that people are watching me. I was just talking to myself. I'm crazy. I'm going insane, people. 2026, I'm going insane. No, I'm just joking. I'm just joking. Give me a one-liner to delete all the git tags starting with Ratatui. It's a very sad prompt, man. It's a very sad prompt. Alright, so that's the one-liner. Let me just run it. Yeah, we're just gonna remove all of them. Remove all of them. F in the chat. F in the chat, people. Press F in the chat. Okay. Another issue that we have this leftover releases from Ratatui macros. I don't know why, but for some reason... Okay, let me just actually clone this repo as well. Okay, let's clone these fuckers. Sorry, not fuck. Well, I don't know why I said that. Okay, let's run git tag. Give me a command to delete all the tags that exist in Ratatui macros directory. This is the peak, guys. This is shell scripting. Jeez. What the hell? What is this command? It's the first time that I'm seeing that. Compare two sort of files. Okay. Fine. That's a bit weird though. Okay, these are the tags. Okay. Yeah, I need to delete them because they are fucking with our changelog, so I need to delete them. I'm just gonna delete these guys. Boom, deleted. So git tag. Oh, I need to delete alpha too. Like, okay, I need to delete them too. Well, not really. Not really. I need to just delete the 0.30 ones. 0.30. Actually, delete everything. Just delete all the tags. We're not creating a release. I'm done. Just use the git dependency. Alright, we did that. So, we need this cliff. Where's the cliff toml? Cliff toml. Right here. So, cliff toml. We're gonna create a changelog. But for that, I need to set my GitHub token. How do I do that? I just run this very risky command. If I mistype something, if I expose my authentication token, I'm fucked. So I am very careful. I think it's looking fine. We're gonna run it. Boom, we got the GitHub token now. I'm gonna run git cliff on release changes. Tag is 0. What is the tag actually? Okay, tag is 0.30. Strip all the extra headers and footers and just save this to changes.md. Boom. Now we just wait. It's gonna be amazing, guys. Trust me. It's the best thing ever. This git cliff program is really good, by the way. This git cliff program, guys, I recommend you check it out. I post a link. It's really good. Also, the author of this project is really cool guy. He's really cool. I like him. So check it out. Alright, what happened? I don't know what happened, but let's see. You have some kind of a changelog here. Some kind of a okay, features. Use it for TV, great program. Hell yeah. Heard the maintainer of that is a dweeb, not gonna lie. Bro, no, he's really cool, man. No, he's not about that. He's not about that. Trust me, he's cool. He's cool. Rumors, man, rumors. Everyone says something, but no dweeb. It's probably a rat or something. I don't know. So, we have the... Holy shit, we have a lot of contributors here. Jesus. Okay. Nice. We have the changelog. I'm gonna scroll to the bottom. Now we're here. We're gonna... Oops, what am I doing, man? Alright, we have all the changes. Now let me just paste this thing into the changelog and see if this is correct or not. Alright, cat changes md. Oh, you probably so if you're a maintainer of a project which uses Ratatui, I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry, there are a lot of changes, I know, but we've been cooking this for a long time, and trust me, it's good. Trust me, it's good. It's well cooked. It's well cooked. Actually, I can show you some highlights. For Alexandre, I'm gonna show you some highlights because I know that you're cooking stuff yourself. So, actually, let me just find that. You probably have checked this, but we have some good stuff in here. Okay, trust me. It's not loading. Don't disappoint me. Don't disappoint me. What the hell? Okay, jeez, it's good stuff, trust me. Okay, it's not loading, but it's good stuff. So let me just copy that into the actual changelog. and see what's up there. So I'm gonna actually copy it from let me just paste it. Let me just paste it. Let me just paste this shit, man. Jesus, this lot of things changed. Okay, we're 29. Boom, pasted. Alright, features. Looks fine. I mean, looks like... What has changed here, actually? I don't know. Let's check. Is this only the styling? Yeah, it's just the styling, I think. Let me just auto format this. Oops. How am I gonna format this? Prettier. I don't know. Format. LSP actions. Maybe restart the thing. I need to format this file. Gonna move, but I'll watch the rest offline. Cheers, keep up the great work. Thank you, man. Thanks for tuning in. Really appreciate that. And keep up the great work with TV. That is a banger project. Right, I don't know how to format this. Apparently we have prettier D here. But I mean, it's just a demon. It's a demon. It's just running in the background, but I mean, how do I actually... Okay, format buffer, there you go, formatting. LSP timeout. Dude, what am I supposed to do here? What am I supposed to... I'm experiencing some Neovim issues, guys. Okay, one question. Would you watch if I reconfigure my Neovim? Because I'm thinking of doing that like on live stream. Is that interesting to you? Because I need to do that anyways. I was like, okay, might as well do it on live stream. You know, share with people. Share with my homies, you know. Okay, prettier is broken. That's awesome. I'm gonna just kill those fuckers then. I mean, come on. Just killed all of them. Let's try to format again. Format. Timeout. Last thing before I leave, yes. Okay, great. Great. I will do that. Probably I'll just use some pre-configured Neovim config. Or maybe I don't know. I'll check. I don't want to dive into like, you know, writing Lua and bunch of stuff. I want the easiest thing possible, but let's see. So yeah, that's the changelog. And it's looking good, I think. Let me actually check that here. Rewrite config in Rust. Hell yeah, that would be great. Ferris, welcome by the way. How are you doing? How is everything? I missed you. I feel like it's been a while. What are these separator things are here? What the hell? Wait, let me just check this on the file. Update main examples readme. Updates. main example Jimmy. Oh, okay, we have these separators for some reason. But anyways, okay, so that's that basically. We basically need to, okay, let me just write this down. Okay, let me actually just do this linearly. Create another PR on website to use the update the release PR created by release please. Okay, what do we need to do there? Update the changelog first of all via git cliff changelog header links. What else? Update versions for beta release. So update create versions. Example. Let me just link to that. In case I die today, guys, I'm just taking notes so that one of you can go ahead and release this, okay? That was very dark. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to say that. But you know, boss factor. If something happens to me, Ferris, please create the release. Thank you. That's my last wish. All right, let me actually link to this thing too. What is that emoji? That's like a shocked dinosaur. Okay. You have a really big burden now, man. You gotta create the release. You gotta create the release now. Okay, anyways, we have that. Alright, what's the third thing? Let me actually do like this. Third thing, merge the release PR and pray at the same time. For announce the release if everything goes right. Announce release. Let's not put negative stuff there, right? My markdown skills are really off. .1, can I do that? 2.2. Okay, that's that. So we released this and it kind of worked, so it should work again. Let me just see. Updated documentation metadata for crates. Users ID dependency from the workspace. Oh yeah. Is bro reading his chat? Yes sir, I'm reading. What you got to tell me? So this is a bit problematic because we cannot make sure that this works without creating a release. So maybe we should create another beta tomorrow before the actual release just to test this out, because this is a big one. This is a big one. We cannot release things individually. That's another problem. But yeah, that's basically. Okay, let me just comment here. Damn, since when do you read chat? What do you mean, bro? I always read the chat. I always check the chat, always check what people say. If you have any questions for me, go ahead. If you have anything that you want to say to me, go ahead. Release it behind future flag. What do you mean? How about we add a hidden future flag? How about we release a version with a lot of Easter eggs in it, but we hide that behind a future flag? Okay, I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know what I'm saying. I think that would be fun though. Okay, guys. Idea. I have an idea. How about we add a backdoor to the release? Think about it. Think about it. That would be nice. Every time you use a widget, we mine Bitcoin on your system, and then we collect all the money and we buy hella cheese with it. Ferris is right. Another backdoor. Okay, let me actually troll these people. Let me just troll these. Let's see who's reading the issues. Sounds good. Sounds good. Okay, let's see who's reading the issues. Okay, release process 6. Check if the back door is active. Okay. All right. Let's see. Let's see if anybody will react to this. I think it's gonna be funny. Oh my god. And it's so funny because it's like there's like, this is a separate comment. I didn't even edit this. It's like I posted this and 2 minutes later I'm like, oh shit, we need to check the backdoor too. Okay, I'm gonna make it even funnier. Check if the new backdoor is active. Boom. Incoming 2-minute post. Oh man, I'm having so much fun with this. Okay, cool. Okay, I'm just gonna wait and see. And I know that some people watch the repo and there's like a Discord notifications channel, and they will probably see that comment. Man, it's so hilarious. But yeah, I gotta check the backdoor, of course, you know. No, I mean, gotta just do a little health check on the backdoor. Okay, so I'm checking my inbox to see if there's anything that I missed. I'm just getting like promotion emails, man. Oh, I'm actually curious if there's anyone using the new beta yet. Incoming social media drama bait. That would be nice. The Ratatui drama would be great actually. Right now we need that, guys. We need that. good marketing. There's no such thing as bad marketing. Everything's marketing. Let's create some drama. We need that right now, especially before the release. Boom, that would be so good, bro. We gotta create some drama now. We gotta stir that shit up and then get all the attention on us, and then we release this thing, and boom, that would be so good. All right, don't clip this, okay? Don't clip this. All right, let's see. 0.30 beta. We can probably check this on Crates.io. Let's check. Okay, nobody's using it. Great. Actually, we have beta here. Dependence. Do we have any dependence yet? It doesn't really filter by a version though. It's just like all the dependence here. So you can probably check this thing though. So beta is being downloaded, which is interesting. So beta, yeah. People are still on the old release though. Issues. That's me. I don't know. I don't remember when I did that, to be honest. Beta. Come on, there must be somebody out there who's just like the early adopter. Somebody living on the edge. Somebody living on the edge, come on. Yeah. Bottom is using beta. That's great. That's great, they're using beta. I don't know when they actually switched to beta, though. You can probably check. Let's see what they did, guys. Ratatui. I'm gonna blame. Can we blame this? Oh shit. Flashbang. Yeah, last month. Seems like it was painless to do that, so that's cool. So yeah, guys, I mean, I don't know what else I'm gonna do here. I need to ping the other people about the release. Tomorrow maybe release the beta 1 or something, and then we're gonna go ahead and release the actual big package. Big cheese. Hell yeah, this is how I feel like right now, guys. This is me right now. This is me. So we're gonna release this thing on Wednesday, hopefully. The big cheese. So there was... Okay, we can actually stalk some projects now. Now that I'm done with the released stuff and I have still energy to do stuff, we can just take a look at some projects. So I found this website. I not me though, like Yagoda found it and she shared it with us on the team channel, and she was like, what the hell is going on? And I checked it and I was also like, what the fuck is this? And yeah, somebody created this website basically for exploring the Ratatui ecosystem, which is kind of great. I mean, it's kind of useful, I think. Data is refreshed every 24 hours. So let's see some stuff here. I'm curious. Packages uploaded. Alright. Burn train to scroll view. We can probably discover some new projects from this website if it's actually working. Command line to utilities, games and so on. Okay. What is this AER project? What is this thing? Command line toolkit for creatives. Wait, creating static web content from concept to deployment. What? What the hell is this? Sounds kind of fun. Doesn't really explain what it is though. It uses Ratatui. Oh shit, sorry for the flashbang again. I have no idea what that is. It doesn't link to these projects. This website is good, but it's not really interactive. I cannot just click these things. AI chat search. Let's see what that is. AI chat search. It's a Python thing. It has an interactive mode though. Rust search UI. I think this is using Ratatui. Yeah, this is using Ratatui. I think this is nice. It's not bad. Cool. AIW. Let's see what that is. Guys, I'm just basically trying to find new stuff. AI Warden. Oh my god, so many AI things started to pop up recently. What do you guys think about this? AI plus open source. What are the opinions? I'm just curious. AK we Tui RS. Azure key vault secrets with fuzzy search clipboard integration and cross platform. So interesting. Fanboys. Needs no AI filter, yeah. Doesn't have any like showcase or demo or anything. Let me just shoot them an issue. Add demo gift to readme MD. Would be great to see how the UI looks like. Rat create. Okay. Alpine Protocol CLI, let's see that. What is Alpine Protocol? Alpine Protocol. No idea, whatever. AMP Rust. Alright. AnyHide. Sounds very cool. Hide any data in any files. Kinda like that. I kinda like that. Why is it using Ratatui though? I mean, duh, it's just the Tui, right? But I mean, in which part? It's not even using Ratatouille. I got bamboozled here. Radiate UI. Seems new. There's so many new stuff coming up, man. It's crazy. I mean, it doesn't have anything to do with Ratatouille, probably. Oh, it's actually using Ratatouille. No idea why, though. Anyways. Bus watch. Somebody just made a bus watch crate. Created message bus. What is that? Okay, some protocol. Bobbing up. We're gonna find a gem, guys. Just stay with me, okay? We're gonna find a really good project here. Listen and watch processes by name. Let's check. I like the UI. I like the UI. We can actually check this out. Can check this out. I'm gonna clone it, run it. GPL3. It's just a single file. Okay, it's probably safe. Safe to run. Let's see what this is doing. I'm very curious. Okay, it's using Ratatui. Okay, name. Let's I don't know. Let's run this. Let's run C matrix. It's like a process monitor, but like, let me actually run this here so we have a better view. Can I just use like all the processes? Nope. Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna give them a star. I'll watch their releases too. Cool. We found something nice that I actually understand. Alright, let's go to Entui. A file entropy visualization terminal with a nice interface. Damn. Entropy graph. I gotta run this. I gotta run this. Alright, let's see if you're gonna get backdoored on this one. Nope, you're not getting slapped, so it should be fine. Alright, good. Let's just run it. File entropy, so it needs a file. I don't know, just take the readme. Okay, I need a bigger file probably. Let's just give this thing the binary itself. Okay. Is this like, why do we... Shannon entropy? Why would you need this? I mean, is this for security or finding some patterns? I'm just like curious, genuinely curious. Do you have a job or is that your job? My job is to... is to just chill. No, I don't. I mean, I had, bro. But every good thing has an ending, you know? Why would you want to run on files? I mean, I'm just learning. I'm just a learner at this point. Does this data look structured or random? Yeah, security analysis. Cool, I like it. Okay, got it. So, how about... Okay, I don't know what what to give to this actually. I'm gonna give him a star and watch the releases too. Really cool. Strix. I think this was some... No, I don't remember what it is actually. Holy shit. Terminal-based video synthesizer inspired by Hydra. Jeez, man. That is cool. It's not even open source yet. It's not even open source yet. How am I gonna watch the repo? Man, I'm so interested in this one. It's not... He hasn't posted it yet. Okay, let's move on to other stuff. Retsu. A rich kid commit graph in your terminal like magic. I think this thing already exists. I know a project very similar to this one. Yeah, this thing exists, man. I mean, look at this. I am a contributor to this. They just stole, not stole, but they probably forked or did something with the other repo. When did I even contribute to this? I have 2 commits in this and I don't know why. Like, what did I do? Okay, let's see which project it actually is. Yeah, it's Seri. Yeah, I mean, I knew that it existed. Minesweeper 4D. 4-dimensional Minesweeper. What the... Holy shit. Holy shit, this is so good. Now we're talking. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, we gotta try this out. We gotta try this out, bro. Let me just go to here again. Let me just clone it. 4D Minesweeper. Jesus Christ. Let's just run it. I haven't checked the code. I mean, I'm just blindly trusting this. Probably gonna be fine. I should probably run these in Sandbox, but damn, bro. Oh my god, this is so fun. Jesus. Okay. How can I jump to the other stuff? I don't know. I have no idea how to play this. Okay, controls. Left arrow. Hello, rat sir. Hello. There's a pause game option. Coming back here after a long time. Hello, Sora Mishra. Me too, to be honest. I took some breaks sometimes. But we are back. Man, this is so cool. I love it. Move left in Z. A. Okay, what? What? Oh, okay, found it. So I can just move left and right. Wow, dude. Love it. Love it. So good. I'm gonna save that. Let's move on to other stuff. B stock. Stock prices. Of course. Doesn't have a repo, doesn't have anything. Doesn't have a screenshot or anything like that. Let's try to find it on GitHub. Should be on GitHub, I think. B stock. B stock. Nope, I cannot find it. Anyways, Paxi. Let's see that one. A fast friendly tweak for browser installing Arch and AUR packages. Wow. It looks really nice. I want to give this a try, dude. What are they using? Are they using ALPM? They probably just running Pac-Man or... Okay, I gotta clone it. Clone it and see for myself. So we can probably install this. Yeah, just install the binary. Or maybe not. Alright, I'm just gonna install the binary. Optional dependencies. How many optional dependencies does this have, man? Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna build it myself. This looks really good, by the way. I'm gonna build it and see for myself. Guys, is there any cool Ratatui stuff that you know that I should check out? Because right now that's what we're doing basically. You have an announcements RS. Wow, man, they have added, they cooked here, man. They cooked. Let him cook. Okay, the cargo is killing my system again, so I'm gonna kill cargo. Also rust analyzer. I don't wanna okay, cargo, rust analyzer, whatever. Just build it. Let's just build it. Can probably take a look at the cargo toml first. Everything is so slow now because of freaking rust analyzer. What? Okay, there you go. Why do they have LRU here? Why do they even use that for? They have a cache. Okay, no ALPM. It's a bit sad. Are they using Paru or just Pac-Man or something? Yeah, they have. They're just running Pac-Man. It's just a wrapper, sadly. It's fine though. It's fine though. It's cool. New TS. A cross-language notebook terminal interface and server. What? TUI. Let's check the TUI. Oh, it's like this. Oh, okay, it's like the Jupyter notebook or something. That's pretty cool, actually. Nice. Good stuff. We discovered another banger here, guys. Okay. I'm gonna save this here as well. So Paxi, let's run it. Oh my god, this looks so good. Okay, just read it. Arsenic's news. Oh my god, this is extremely good. Jesus Christ. Okay, sort. What are we doing here? There's so many stuff on my screen. It's a bit crowded though. I need to move up. Search. Move. You can't even click. Oh my god, they have... Okay, it failed to Damn, bro. Damn. It's good stuff. Okay, I need to click here. You can't even click, like, that's crazy. You have a team support here as well. This is good. This is good. I like it. Okay, new TS. This one's also good. So we have four. We found 4 projects that are good. So I like it. Packages, tools. Stats. We already checked that. There's a book as well. Currently building my first 2 to see. The main idea was obsidian, but in the terminal and with different types of edges and without the need for knots per node. Currently not open source though, still in the prototyping phase. That sounds cool, man. It's a pretty good project. I think there was one. What was the name of the project? Jeez, I forgot. If you go to awesome Ratatui, search for obsidian maybe. Nope. Maybe it was one of my packages, man. It was one of my packages, but I forgot which one. I don't know. That's cool though. If you have anything published at some point, let me know. I can check it out. Okay, the book. This is all wipe coded, by the way. I mean, I can tell. You can't even click on these links. Perfect. Alright. Guys. Should we leave it here? Because I don't know what else I'm gonna do now. We have collected new tools, which is great. The Minesweeper 4D is such a banger, man. It's crazy. You still Jujutsu VCS or still on Git? I'm on Git still. I need to switch at some point though. Probably it would be better. It would actually be something new. So, you know, learning something new these days is a bit difficult. So I need something like that in my life. But before that, I think I need to reconfigure my Nelvim and also re-rise my setup. I want to change the colors and everything now. I want to change things. I want to change the world. JJ Undo is crazy good. I mean, I have a live stream where I looked at Jujutsu, and the first time in my life, like I've read the documentation. I played around with the commands. It was very different, and it was fun. It really feels like you have more control over the overall objects. Like you can almost, like, you know, touch them, move them around, kind of like own everything. It really felt like that to me, but I don't know, maybe it's just a completely different experience. I haven't used it in my workflow yet. I am maintaining some JJ tools. I maintain Jujutsu for Linux, but I don't use it. I'm just like trying to help out to the other guys and just make sure that I am up to date with Jujutsu, because at some point I will switch. I know that. Also, there's Lazy JJ if you want to Tui for Jujutsu, which is pretty great, I think. I also maintain that one. But yeah, Git legacy, you know, old habits. It's not really an old habit. I mean, 10 years ago I was not using Git properly. I think I started exactly 10 years ago. Oh guys, you need to see my stats. I mean, I don't have a life. Look at my stats. So currently I'm on a 2,509 day commit streak. Dude, how many, like, what is this number here? That's literally 7 years. I don't have a life, guys. I mean, I'm cooked at this point. So let's say I started using Git 10 years ago. I mean, for 7 years I committed for every day. Bro, what? I don't know. I'm just angry at myself because I have spent 7 years committing. Okay, let's check that repo that you posted. Terminal game engine terminal application in Rust. Nice. Oh my god, that's great. Holy shit, it has some kind of like, wait, this is not in the terminal, right? Is this, what? Is this Ratatouille? How did you do the animations like that? You didn't use Ratatouille on this. I'm confused. What? How did you do those animations? And why is my browser so slow? I need to update my system at some point. Oh, it's just cross-term. Okay, that makes sense. Still cool though. Hello, welcome to the stream. Leons, how's it going? What is poppin'? Why is my computer dying right now, bro? I'm running cargo. Okay, I'm lagging here now. I'm lagging so hard for some reason. Guys, 1 second. I need to kill the back door. Holy shit. Okay, I have killed the back door. Check out one fetch if you haven't already. I think I maintain one fetch for Arch, so I know what it is. It's pretty cool. I'm not sure if it actually can show certain superior languages though. So Rust, of course, I mean you can detect Rust, but let's see if it can actually detect something more important, which is Holy See. Hell yeah, bro. Let's go. Holy See 100%. That's great. I love it. One fetch. Props to one fetch because it can detect Holy See. That's so cool. That's so cool. I love it. Backdoor Rust Analyzer. Absolutely. I just killed the Rust Analyzer. If you have a backdoor in Rust Analyzer, that would be great actually. Anyways, why are we talking about backdoors? Guys, 1 year ago, I started something called Grindhouse. And for a year, I have met so many great people. I have learned so many great things from them. I have shared what I've been building. I have made friends, okay? So, if you want a part of this, you can join our Discord. We have a Discord. We hang out there. Okay, Ferris, you need to send the link now. Invitation link. Ferris, come on. Come on. This is your job. You're the moderator. You're the moderator. Come on. So yeah, this grind lines thing is that thing, and we're writing Holy See. Everyone writes Holy See. Just kidding. They are going to support COBOL and other ancient languages too. That's great. Bro, every Rust project I know is started by you. I mean, bro, I've been I've been doing this thing for a long time. So probably it's yeah, I mean, I don't have a life. I just sit at home all day, like, you know, trying to find repos and start everything. Guys, let's actually check my GitHub feed. Let's actually check my GitHub feed. I think that would be fun. The GitHub feed sucks, by the way. It really... They fucked it up. Like, it was good at some point. I was using this dashboard feed page where you could see the old layout with proper entries, but now it's all fucked. I mean... Yeah, filter, let's do... let's do recommendations too. I'm a simple man, see Rust I Star. Absolutely. Okay, let's see what's going on here. I don't want to see these stuff. Repository activity. Okay, I'm gonna just filter that out. Okay, nothing interesting so far. This is kind of interesting. I already started though. I don't even remember starting it. All right. There isn't anything interesting, guys. Do you know FTX UI? FTX UI? No. What is it? Okay, apparently I know it. I started the repo, but I don't even remember. C++ functional terminal user interface. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I know it. I remember it at least. I haven't used this to do anything though. Hope you switched to Neri in 2026. What was Neri again? I think I know what... I kind of know what it is, but I don't know at the same time. I remember. Oh, Neri, there we go. I just come across that. Wayland compositor. Yeah, I need to switch to Wayland first. Ratatui better. Okay, this feed sucks, man. This feed sucks ass, dude. I need interesting stuff on my feed. It was really good at some point. It was showing the correct stuff, but now it's like all fucked. I don't know what happened. You only check out Rust projects? Not really. I check out interesting projects, but most of the time they're in Rust. For me, at least. I don't know why. I mean, I'm just obsessed, probably. Yeah, there isn't much to see on my feed, sadly. Let's check my notifications. I don't ever check my notifications on GitHub. I have a lot of stuff. How can I check my stars? I need to let's check my stars actually. Stars. Is it like that? It's probably gonna just go to, okay, your stars, there you go. Okay, I have started 4,000 repositories. And only yeah, I started only this repository of out of my projects. Anyways, first let's check the we cannot check the first star, that's annoying. Most stars. Okay, let's see. I have started 20 C# projects. Okay, I started 2,000 Rust projects. Are there any newsboard alternatives in Rust? I think today I shared a project about that. Just today I shared it. Let me just drop you a link. Copy a link. Oops, that's the Twitter link. Let me just get you the GitHub link. Boom, there you go. The project and talk about it by you was what motivated me to learn Rust. I like the strong meme game and the mascot is rad. Absolutely, man. That's great to hear. I also like our mascot. I also have my personal mascot here. Rat Chef, say hi. Say hi to Rat Chef. Personal mascot. Start topics. FTX UI fly sim. FTX UI fly sim. Fly simulator. Dude, we gotta do this with Ratatui now. You know that, right? Oh shit. That looks cool. I'm gonna start this, bro. I'll be the 10th person. That's very cool. I wish it was like the Terry Davis's flight simulator game though. That would be so great to have in the terminal, you know. I have started many projects, Jesus. Mathematica, what is that? Why did I even... Store files as YouTube videos, infinite disk space. Hell yeah. This was fun. This was a fun project. I remember it. It's very old though. I started 8 PHP repos, man. PHP 2, of course. Guys, anyways, I think I'm done for today. I'll try to make these live streams consistent. I think they are fun. Also, I just have an excuse to do some stuff with these live streams, so, you know, it's fun. Hey, just joined. No, I'm just leaving. Netford, I'm leaving, bro. The car community start using Ratatouille for custom dashboards. I'm not going to be surprised. Bro, we started already. There's this Suzuki ERS project. It's a car dashboard running Ratatouille. There you go. Boom. Tweez on the dash. Tweez on the dash. Let's go. Simulation. Look at this. Just imagine having these little widgets on your dashboard. That would be crazy. Yeah. We need more projects, bro. We need more rats. Never enough rats, you know? I look forward. I look forward to the future, especially when we create the release. When we finally create the release, everything will be great. I think. Hopefully, we're gonna break everything, break the world, break the cheese. Guys, I'm going. I'm gonna see you later. These days I'm super busy. Maybe I'll just squeeze some live streams into this business because you know it's fun, and yeah, I just do work on these live streams, so that's great. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for joining, everybody. Rat Chef is out. Bro, you're a go-to motherfucker. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next one, right? Join the Discord. Join the Discord. Let's get it. See you. I'm out. Oh shit. I'm out. Goodbye.